Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. So first of all, you have to open up your TikTok application. On your TikTok application, you have to go to your profile that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your profile, you have to click on the following. So on your following, if you only have a few persons here, you can very easily click on unfollow and you will be able to unfollow them. But if you have a lot of people here, for example, I have 419 people, then another method that you can try doing is by going to your menu that is present at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, you have to scroll down towards the end until you see the report a problem. Now in report a problem, you have to tap on interaction. Now click on follow. Once you click on follow, a new menu will pop up. So over here, you have to tap on following and unfollowing users. Now scroll down and click on no. Now a new option will appear, so you have to click on need more help. Now you will be redirected into a chat with TikTok. So you very simply have to type in your issue. For example, I want to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. Once you are done, you have to click on send and you will be able to easily unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. You have to keep this in mind that it may take a few days for TikTok to receive your application. So you have to plan your things accordingly. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.